Hey everybody, come on in. It's snack time and it's almost the holidays, so I'm going to get a head start on this. I do this every year. I don't think I shared this with you all last year, but watch and learn. These are walnuts and I'm going to show you how to make a real quick snack out of them. This is walnuts on all three plates, but I'm going to fix two different kinds. These are going to be walnuts with onion powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of salt. We're going and fourth of a cup of butter on 1 cup of walnuts. So they're going to go into the microwave for 2 minutes, and when they come out, they will be looking like this. Everybody, come on in. It's time to make some quick snacks. I'm going to show y'all how to make some real quick snacks with a sprinkle of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And we're going to put them in the microwave for 2 minutes, and when they come out, they're going to look like this. Okay, hang on. Okay, the first batch is ready. The second batch coming up. Already buttered, brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar on 1 cup of walnuts, 1/3 of a cup of butter into the microwave for 2 minutes. And they're going to be ready to crunch on. So hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay, everything is ready. All you need is 2 cups of shelled walnuts. If you want them sweet, 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of butter. Smear it all over. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And on the onion and garlic walnuts, same thing. 2 cups of walnuts, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, 1/4 of a cup of butter. Put them in there for 2 minutes. Kind of open the oven at a minute and a half and stir them around a little bit. Close it back up and you got you some good old snacks. And these are good for gifts during the holidays. So, toodles. Great tasty snacks ready to eat for family and friends or just for yourself. So try them. They're really easy to make. Walnut snacks in the microwave, y'all. As I was saying, these snacks are so good, so quick, and so tasty, especially for this time of the year. If you're a snacker like me, this is what you need. I'm a snacker. I love healthy snacks, so I try to come up with, especially nuts. These are walnuts, and believe this, these were made in my microwave. 2 minutes cook time for about 2 cups of walnuts, or if you want to do pecans as well, but I choose walnuts. I just do, but you can use pecans also. The other thing about these walnuts is that you can make these snacks and you can give them away at Christmas time for gifts, or just gifts when people come by the house and they're snacking on stuff and you got some extras. Just give them a little bag of these. You know, 1 cupful is a pretty good amount. And you know, when you purchase these in the store, you pay $5-6 a bag for toasted glazed walnuts or pecans, or even more. One, of course, like I said before, one is the butter, sugar, brown sugar, and butter, brown sugar, and a little bit of salt. 2 minutes in the microwave. Stir them around after 1 minute, and when they come out, they're nice and bubbly. And of course, the brown sugar bubbles up and it turns into little crunchies. Lay them out on a plate and let them cool down, and then sprinkle them with a little bit more brown sugar once they cool down. They are good and crunchy and wonderful. Okay, now the ones with the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and butter, of course, you don't put the sugar on them, and just sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. And what happens is in that microwave, it gets them to a point after 2 minutes where they get really crispy. So you don't have to turn your oven on for, probably in the oven it takes 10, 12, 15 minutes to do these. But in the microwave, 2 minutes for 2 cups of walnuts. So think about it when you want to do some snacks just to have sitting around. I have company a lot, so I like to have things like this sitting around just to snack on. And of course, I'm a snacker, so I like to have these on hand for myself. So think about it. The next time you run out to, a Sam's Club or one of the food outlets that sell the big bags. I think I bought a 3-pound bag. There are 12 cups in there. So you could make 12 different batches. These just happen to be 2-cup batches, or you make 6 different batches, and throughout the holidays, it will save you a lot if you have company like I do, and if you like to snack like I do. So keep these in mind if you're sitting around and listen. With a hot cup of coffee or a hot cup of tea, they are absolutely wonderful. You can chop them up, put them over salad, however you want to eat them. They are good. They make nice toppings. I do sweet potato souffle, and if I have some of these on hand left over, I will chop them up and put them on top of my sweet potato souffle. I put them in my salad, like I said. They are wonderful. Some people put them in chicken salad. You put and to have them nice and toasty, crunchy, either the onion and garlic or the sweet ones, either one goes well with your salads. But with a hot cup of coffee, they are wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So keep these in mind now for gifts and for personal use. I just want to come by and say, look what I'm doing this afternoon to share these with y'all, because I know y'all love to cook those short and sweet things. So also, while I'm talking about this, I'm going to put these out. I finally got my Instagram up and running, so I'm going to try to get these on my Instagram account. So it's out there, so everybody that's on Instagram, it's come on in underscore cooking. Yeah, come on in underscore and then cooking. So I'm on Instagram now, y'all. So y'all check me out on Instagram. I'm going to be putting some things up there this week for y'all to look at. This might be one of them. I'm trying to do some shorts and use the shorts, of course, that I put up there. Now, I don't know about I'm not quite sure about how everybody else's work, but the shorts that I put out, I will have the longer version, of course, on my YouTube channel. But just check me out and see what I'm doing. But anyway, that's it for the microwave garlic and onion walnuts, or microwave brown sugar and butter walnuts. See you next time. Do something kind for someone now. Pray without ceasing. Love you guys. Toodles.